You ever notice how every car commercial swears they're built to last? Yeah, until the warranty ends and the check engine light pops up like it's on a timer. Most modern cars aren't built to last. They're built to expire gracefully. The automakers figured out how to make cars that survive just long enough to keep you buying new ones every few years. It's genius, if you're them. But if you actually want a car that'll last, you've got to look back, not forward. So today, we're cutting through the marketing BS and talking about the 10 used cars that actually outlive their owners. The real survivors. The cars you still see on the road when everything else from their generation is sitting in a junkyard, covered in weeds, still waiting on back-ordered parts. And look, buying used is smart, if you know what you're buying. But one wrong move and you're not getting a deal. You're inheriting someone else's bad decisions, complete with mystery leaks and a rebuilt title. So let's skip the shiny badges, the fake sport trims, and the touchscreens that age like milk. This is the list for people who want something that just works. Number 10. Subaru Outback, Forester. These things are like the Swiss Army knives of the road. Perfect for snow, dirt, dogs, and people who wear hiking boots to brunch. But, and this is key, watch the head gaskets on older ones. Subaru got that wrong for a few years, and it's the only thing that keeps these cars from living forever. Take care of that, and you've got a wagon that'll outlast your mortgage. Number 9. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Fun fact, half the Miatas ever made are still on the road. You know why? Because nothing breaks. And when something does break, it costs less than your monthly coffee habit to fix. The Miata's got no power, no fancy gadgets, just pure mechanical simplicity. It's like the Honda Civic of sports cars. Light, nimble, and damn near unkillable. Number 8. Acura TL, TSX. Take a Honda, dress it up in a suit, and that's an Acura. These things give you smooth power, nice interiors, and engines that don't know how to quit. The TL's V6 can take abuse like a punching bag. And the TSX, that's the secret hero, reliable as hell, cheap parts, and it feels way nicer than the price tag. Number 7. Honda Civic. This car doesn't need an introduction. It's the ultimate set it and forget it ride. Change the oil, don't drive it into a lake, and it'll outlast your grandkids. People have driven Civics across continents, through deserts, and even after teenage neglect. It's simple, cheap, and if it ever does break, you can fix it with pocket change and a YouTube tutorial. Number 6. Honda Accord. Now we're getting into the long-haul champions. The Accord is the, I don't care about status, I care about getting to work for the next 20 years car. It's the boring one, but boring is good. No surprises, no nonsense. Just a reliable engine, good comfort, and the kind of longevity that makes dealerships sad. Number 5. Lexus ES, LS. Alright, now we're talking about Toyota reliability wearing a tuxedo. These things are like Camrys that went to finishing school. Smooth, quiet, ridiculously well built. You can find 20-year-old Lexus LS sedans still running smoother than brand new German cars. Sure, parts cost a little more, but you won't need them often. These things are old-school luxury tanks. Number 4. Toyota Prius. Say what you want about the looks, this car outlasts marriages. The hybrid system's built like a tank. And the rest of the car? Simple, efficient, and boringly reliable. Battery replacement is the one gotcha, but even that's overblown. If you're smart and buy one that's been maintained, you'll be laughing all the way to 300,000 miles, while spending less on gas than your coffee budget. Number 3. Toyota Corolla. This is the cockroach of cars. You can't kill it. Floods, neglect, road salt. It just keeps going. It's the car you buy when you don't want to think about your car. Oil changes, gas, repeat. That's it. Not fast, not fancy, but legendary for a reason. It's the I need something that works every day, forever machine. Number 2. Toyota Camry. The Camry is the Corolla's older, slightly more responsible brother. A bit more power, a bit more space. Same bulletproof engineering. People joke it's boring, but boring is the sound of reliability. These cars are still everywhere. Taxis, Uber drivers, families, retirees. You can buy one with $200K on the clock and still drive it another 5 years without worry. February 1, Toyota, 4Runner, Tacoma. The Kings. These trucks are legends. You can drive a 4Runner into a wall, pull it out with a Tacoma, and both will keep running. Off-road, city, doesn't matter. These things are unkillable. They're built old school, which is rare now. Frame-on-body construction, simple engines, minimal nonsense. You take care of it, it'll take care of you. That's reliability, not marketing. That's the kind of confidence money can't buy. Yeah, because they earned it. Everyone else has been chasing turbochargers, touchscreens, and innovation. Meanwhile, Toyota and Honda were busy building engines that don't explode. Here's the ugly truth. Most new cars today are software with wheels. Fancy, fast, and fragile. But these older models, they're analog, dependable, and fixable. Reliability isn't sexy anymore. It doesn't sell commercials. But don't get cocky. Even the best car can't survive a lazy owner. Check the maintenance records. Crawl under it. Look for rust, leaks, weird noises. If the previous owner treated it like a lawnmower, walk away. Because no matter how reliable the car is, neglect kills faster than mileage ever will. Anyway, if this saved you from buying a rolling money pit, hit that like button so YouTube doesn't bury it under another EV commercial. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the most miles you've ever put on your car? I want to see who's driving the real zombie machines out there. Because at the end of the day, cars come and go, but reliability, that's built, not bought.